Here's a quick, easy way to check your carb for vacuum leaks with carb and choke cleaner. Now when you do this, you don't need a ton. You just need a little bit around the base of the carb and around your carb. You're looking for all those vacuum leaks. If it drops in RPM, you have a vacuum leak. If it doesn't, then you don't. Go ahead, start your engine. Once your engine's running, just take your cleaner and spray at the base of your carb. And if it decreases in RPM, then you know you have a vacuum leak. Nothing there, let's check the other side. There's nothing there, that's a quick, easy way to check using carb and choke cleaner.